So I've done a new song today, bit of a club classic, Eric Prydz. I don't know how you said the name of the track, Pjanoo. Anyway, you'll know what tune it is as soon as I start playing it. So this is left hand. It's a bit complicated because the left hand plays a totally different riff to what right hand's doing. Quite tricky. Fortunate thing is your right hand is playing the same 3 notes over and over again, so once you get that to muscle memory, the left hand kind of fits in. So this is the left hand notes now played at normal sort of rhythm. Now the right hand's a lot easier. I'll just play the notes as they run, and then I'll play them properly for you at rhythm. Play your left hand again just so you get the idea. This is what it should sound like together. Best advice is just practice each bit independently. Just get your left hand nailed and then move on to your right hand. The right hand's easy. Good luck.